Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Welcome to another kitchen countertop review. Today, if you are clever, you can guess what we're reviewing. It is children's hangers. These are not just any hangers. We've used them for 2 young kids all the way up until they outgrew them. These are IKEA BAGIS hangers. And one of the favorite things I like about them, besides the colors, is that I can pronounce the damn name. So these are IKEA's hangers. They are made of a safe, flexible plastic that won't break or get bent out of shape. We've used these for many years, probably close to 10 years, and we've only lost one hanger, and I think that was through a kid hanging on it like a gymnast in the closet. They're adapted to children's clothing and available obviously in a rainbow of colors. These are a pants hanger, a skirt hanger, and a shirt hanger all in one. They've got little grooves down here in the bottom of the hanger to hold straps so things don't slide off. They have this little ridged design. You can see top ridge, bottom ridge. That's what gives them their strength. They're narrow, so they don't take up a lot of room in the closet, and they're just the right size for a toddler who starts to get independent, who wants to help. They can help. And we always color coded these things for like blue for shirts. I think green was for pants. About 13 inches wide, normal hook on top for your normal closet bar. One of the best things about these is simply the price. Last time I checked, it was $1.49 for about an 8-pack at IKEA, if you're lucky enough to live near an IKEA. If you are, you should buy a bunch and sell them on eBay and Amazon, because they go for a lot more on those sites. I did want to take a few minutes this morning before I really get up to talk about these hangers. We've used them, like I said, for a decade or so. We've lost one, I'm sure through gross negligence. They keep their shape, they keep their bright colors. They're very toddler friendly. And when you're done, like we did after all these years, we're going to sell them on eBay and get our money back. But I have fond memories of these things. So that's it. Oh, they're made of polypropylene. It's a plastic. I wanted to share some reviews from other people that I've read online. Great hangers for small kids. They hold up and are great colors. I tested that. Sturdy, good shape, excellent value. One person writes, perfect for toddlers that want to do the same, want to do things by themselves. Another one, I have an 8-year-old boy and a 3-year-old girl. The size of the hangers is just enough to hold their clothing in place without falling or shifting. We also love that they come in assorted colors. I'll put a link down here where you can get some of these on Amazon if you'd like, but it's a good IKEA product and a good value. Thanks for watching.